Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating the master inventory sheet and entering essential columns so tracking is reliable. Start entering a few items now. Include item ID, name, QTY, reorder point, location, cost. Once done, set data validation for item ID and location using drop-down lists to avoid typos and freeze the header row for easy navigation. Make sure QTY is formatted as number and cost as currency. This prevents errors early and makes formulas behave predictably as you expand the sheet. You automate core calculations so the sheet updates without manual counting. Create a transactions sheet to log inflow and outflow with a matching item ID, then use SUMIF on the master to compute current QTY. Use VLOOKUP or index/match to pull item details and an IF formula to produce a reorder alert column. Once linked, add conditional formatting to highlight QTY less than or equal to the reorder point and color code by location so visual scanning reveals shortages at a glance. You finalize with a small dashboard that summarizes totals, low stock items, reorder cost, and the last updated timestamp. Protect ranges that contain formulas and headers, then share the sheet with edit restrictions so users enter transactions only on the transactions sheet. If numbers disagree, troubleshoot by filtering transactions for the item ID and verifying recent entries against dates. Next, check formula ranges for off-by-one errors or extra rows. Finally, make small test edits to confirm the flow.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.